Lord Orochimaru, are you all right?
Soon that body will be mine.
This body is weakening. This will require administering a rank 10 pill. I'll go get the medicine. Won't take a moment. The medicine can no longer sustain Lord Orochimaru's body. Tomorrow, or better today, the sooner we perform the ritual, the better. But I can't imagine Sasuke going along without a fuss. And what's more, I have a bad feeling about things. I'll keep an ace up my sleeve just in case.
Let's go. Don't underestimate the Uchiha.
Mission start.
I no longer have any need for Orochimaru. I think I'll get rid of him. But even I don't know where he sleeps. First thing is to find him.
So this must be what Lord Kabuto had a bad feeling about.
Fire style! Fire about jutsu! Don't interfere! Nori sharp!
Out of my way. Try and stop me and it'll be the last thing you ever do.
You! Have you forgotten your debt to Lord Orochimaru?
I owe him nothing. It's just a matter of him using me. Or me using him. I should have known they'd be keeping an eye on me. Not that it matters.
Stand down! I won't say it again!
They may be lowly minions. They sure can be a pain.
Even all of us together couldn't take him.
I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals.
Don't interfere! Nori sharp!
You're nothing but sniveling pests.
Don't interfere! Nori sharp!
All who get in my way will be crushed. You're nothing but sniveling pests. Where are you, Orochimaru?
Don't interfere! Nori sharp!
All who get in my way will be crushed.
Don't interfere! Yori Shark!
I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals. You're nothing but sniveling pests.
Yori Shark!
Even all of us together couldn't take him.
Miss! I'm gonna rip you to pieces!
I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals. All who get in my way will be crushed.
Don't interfere! Yori Shark!
You're nothing but sniveling pests. All who get in my way will be crushed. I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals.
Don't interfere! Yori Shark!
All who get in my way will be crushed.
I knew you'd come for me.
There's no more you have to teach me. I can be merciless, even to you.
That's bold talk.
You don't seem at all well, Orochimaru. I can cure that cough quickly.
Don't interfere! Yori Shark!
I won't let you lay a finger on Lord Orochimaru.
Out of my way. I'm stronger than you. So at this point, I really don't see a reason to hand over my body to you.
A bold statement from a nurse Uchiha.
Of course, it had to be the nurse. That's the only kind of Uchiha you could handle. Itachi was out of the question. That's why you came after me, the baby. Isn't that so, Bright Eyes? And they say you're one of the legendary Sannin.
Rip you to pieces!
I cannot die yet.
I won't let you escape.
Rip you to pieces!
Just when I need you, Kabuto, you aren't here. Worthless. No, not yet. Not until I make that body my own.
matter where you hide, I'll find you. I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals.
I'll use the curse mark.
You've caused me a lot of trouble.
Sasuke! My body!
Sorry, but I'd never hand my body over to someone who's weaker than I am.
You have no say in it. That body has been mine from the beginning. Come to think that you'd acquire such strength compared to 3 years ago. The power of the Uchiha is a thing of beauty, a thing which shall soon be mine.
You can never hope to approach the Uchiha's power. Orochimaru, what are you after? Unlocking the mysteries of nature? You toy with people's lives, all for the sake of this vain and stupid cause of yours. You disgust me.
This is impossible!
Pathetic, Orochimaru.
Mission complete.
Is it over?
Don't be so hasty. I am immortal. It will take more than that to finish me.
What is this place?
This is the universe inside of me. This is where the transference ritual takes place. Now then, I'll take it. Sharingan. At last, that power, the power of the Uchiha, will be mine! What? Impossible! The transference ritual is being rejected? It can't be! It's impossible! This is my universe! I created it!
Orochimaru, my eyes can see through all your jutsu. Surely you must know already.
No!
A snake that crawled on the earth dreamt of soaring through the sky, knowing full well it was impossible. Still, hoping beyond hope, it kept its eye on a baby bird that it nurtured in its own nest, little realizing that actually, the snake is prey, because that bird is a hawk, ready to take to the sky.
This can't be happening! I am Orochimaru! I am immortal! I will not die here! I am the one who will unlock the mysteries of nature! I am the one who will receive everything! I am!
Lord Orochimaru!
Kabuto.
It's only Sasuke. So has the ritual already taken place? No. But this feeling... it can't be. Which one are you?
Which do you think?
No. You're not.
He's all mine now.
So then, Lord Orochimaru is... Lord Orochimaru.
Oh.